got her. So I have been looking to get a new camera because I do want to eventually start a new YouTube channel. So this is one of the ones that I picked up. I usually just film on my phone, but I want to make sure that I'm starting to, be a little bit better, especially because I do love to take pictures. I'm really big into photography as well. But this particular camera I liked because it looked like it had really good video quality just from what I've seen online. So this is what the box looks like. Everything is pretty compact. So I'm going to get it open and let's see what's inside. Okay, so I have the box right here. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Hallelujah. Okay, so we've got our instruction manual. There she is in all her glory. And I got the white one. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's so nice. It is so lightweight. I don't think I expected it to be this lightweight. But it does come, at least the one that I got does come with just the standard kit lens. But yeah, it's actually really, really lightweight, super lightweight. This pops out, you can spin it. How cool is that? And the dog is excited. So yeah, this feels great. Again, super lightweight, a lot more lightweight than I was expecting. So here you have the cable. This is just a USB-C connector. Oops. And then I also have the neck strap. So that is included as well. And then you do get 2 batteries, which is always good. So here's one. And then you also get a second one, and I like that they include 2. Okay, no, just kidding. They didn't include 2. So this is going to be the charging cable, so you can plug this in and charge that way. Maybe do transfer if you need to a computer or what have you. And then let's see what we got over here. So yeah, you just get the 1 battery. I was excited for a second. And here is the little poof. I think this is like the mic. I'm not really sure what this is. I think you just pop it on the top, and this is supposed to be like the microphone, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. Yes, everybody, it is the windscreen, because this is what it is right here. I don't know why I was thinking it was a microphone. Okay, windscreen. So use the windscreen to reduce wind noise picked up by the internal microphone when recording a movie. So that will be really helpful, especially if you're doing video. Okay, so to fire this thing up, I have the battery here. So popping that in, and then I just need to pop in a memory card. So I'm gonna see where I put that. Over here on the side, I'm assuming. Okay, so here's where you plug it in. You have different connectors here that you can plug in. You have an HDMI slot and then the USB-C as well, plus an auxiliary area here. And then here is where you can plug in a microphone. I did get a microphone separately, so I will be using that one. Where do you put the memory card? Maybe it was in here and I didn't see it. Ah, okay, so right here at the top is where you pop the memory card. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab mine really quick and we will check it out. I have my memory card right here. So you would just pop that in this way, I believe. Yep, just pop it in there. Okay, so we are ready to fire this thing up. So we'll go ahead and flip it on. When you first get it, you're gonna need to charge it because I have the battery in here and you can see I'm turning it on and it's not actually turning on. So it looks like I need to charge the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in using this and also the square. So we'll plug that in and then I will check back in with you once it is all charged. Okay, so I have the camera here plugged in and I just want to show you this little light. So that little light indicator will let you know that it is charging. So we are all charged. So I'm going to flip it on and just kind of see what we got here. Okay, so we just have a few setup screens. We are good to go. It was super easy to set up and I set it up to where I could actually send the pictures to my smartphone. So if you do the smartphone connect, you can go over here under connection and then there's a QR code that it will pop up. If you scan that with your phone, then it will set up connection so that way you're able to go back and forth. The app that I used for that is Imaging Edge. So just make sure you get that downloaded as well. But we are good to go. I'm gonna take off the lens cap here. And yeah, I'm excited to get some shooting done. I'm actually gonna head outside in a little bit and we will do some shooting and check out how the camera works. Here's just a few photos. I went outside with my dogs and yeah, just the level of detail is really beautiful in these. And then I got a video. but I'm really happy with this. Again, I bought it primarily to do a YouTube channel, but I will be using this one for sure for photos as well. Final thoughts on this. I am over the moon about it. I did buy another lens, so I will try that and see how that works, but I love how lightweight it is. That was one of the things that I think I wasn't expecting with this camera. The images are beautiful. The video comes out really great as well. I like that it also is easy to set up. I think that's super important. There's a lot of settings in here, so I would just make sure that you are keeping the manual just so that you can go back and refer to make some changes if there's things that you want to adjust. But I'm really excited about this because this is going to be my main camera going forward. Again, super lightweight, very easy to use, and also really, really beautiful as well.